What is going on, YouTube? Well, my 2017 Camaro that I got in a crash with is in the shop, and I just got the call that it's done. Just about to go check it out. As you can see right here, it's checked for $10,000 to go get it fixed up. That is not my money, but that's the insurance money that the insurance is paying for me. All I pretty much have to pay is the $1,000 deductible that I do have. Yeah, let's head up there before it gets too dark and let's get in my car. And the sun is going down right before I get the car. It's 50 degrees outside too. It's pushed up right here and everything lined up. See on this side it's not really pushed up and it's still offline a little bit. Scrape right here on this brand new mirror. I said it was brand new. Got a new type of scrape, I could tell it was new. Right here. In the clear coat. Some curb rash on this rim that I did not have before. So what the fuck's going on with that? Bird shit on my car. I guess they tried to clean it up. And this is a brand new bumper right here, brand new paints. There's a bunch of streaks and scratches in it. I mean, it's nothing major, but it just kind of bothers me. Little bubble right here. That was never there before on the front bumper. Brand new bumper. Right here, there's a little scrape. It kind of follows like down here a little bit. I know they just replaced this rocker panel molding, so looks like they fucked that up. All right, guys, so I just had some stuff happen. Kind of got screwed over for today and getting my car back when it's nice out. Hey, if you guys saw my recent video about my estimate, how I told you guys I'm getting a certain package for my car. Well, it was a certain ground effects package, like an aero package for my car that includes a front splitter, side skirts, and the rear diffuser. So when I went to get my car, the car did not have those parts on it, only the front splitter. And on the estimate, they requested us to pay $2,000 just for the parts for the ground effects package and about 7 hours for painting and stuff like that. So they did not include that, so I noticed that and told them about that. So I asked them to waive that $1,000 so I don't have to pay it since they didn't include those parts because it's kind of bullshit. So gotta wait for the manager to talk to everybody, try to figure things out. So a couple more days on the Camaro. Sorry, guys. Keep you guys posted though. Should be coming back in a couple days. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.